Hi viewers, welcome to World of CNC. This is slide number 42. In this we will see one more profile milling with the Siemens controller. This is the profile. In this we have the reference point at the middle and we have some dimensions. The blank size will be 260 by 200 by 15 mm. Depth of cut will be 2 mm. And this is the entire program with the cycle number starting with the N10 to 370. So 37 lines are there. First we need to set the raw material size, X value, Y value and the thickness. The top surface will be 0, bottommost point will be minus 15. The total thickness will be 15 mm. And then move the cutter to a reference point, selecting the cutter, end mill cutter of size 6 mm with the offset number, giving some speed to the spindle with the clockwise direction, bring back the cutter to X0, Y0. G90 is absolute command. So if you write G90 from this reference point, we need to set all the parameters. G54 is work coordinate system. Initially we are keeping the tool at 100 mm height and then bring down the cutter to Z5. Slowly bring down the cutter to Z1 level by giving G01 with some feed rate of 60. Now the cutter is just 1 mm above the reference point, that is 1 mm above the surface level, and then move the cutter to very first point on the profile. This is X20 and Y0. So this is the point. There we are going to give the depth of cut 2 mm with some feed rate, and then move the cutter to the next point, next point, next point. Simply we are giving the coordinate values. Finally, we will get the profile like this. After this, simply lift the cutter to surface level and then position the cutter at this point. Once again give depth of cut. Just to rotate the cutter, we will get the circle. After that, lifting the cutter, go back to reference point, switching off the spindle and then put M30. The program will be over. So that we will see in the software now. So initially the screen will be like this. Go to program manager. Already we have entered the program here. So this is the entire program what we have seen in the PPT. First we need to set the raw material size. How we are getting this page? First go to various. We will get a blank option. We will get the blank parameters. At this page, these parameters to be entered first and then give it OK. We will get the first line. As usual, simply we are writing the program. Say how we are selecting the cutter, that is very, very important. So for selecting the cutter, go to edit mode. Here we have the option select tool. So from here, this is a library. From here we can select any one of the cutter. So which one is suitable for this operation, we can select and then give it OK. So we will get the first line, this line. This is nothing but a cutter selection. D1 is offset number. Like that we are going to enter the program up to M30. After entering the program, go to simulation page. After simulation, we will get the profile like this. First outer profile we are creating and then lifting the cutter, positioning at this point. Simply we are rotating the cutter, we will get the circle. So this is the final profile. So simply we can compare the profile with PPT, whether we achieved the same profile or not. Now both are same. Now the same codings we can feed into the machine. So we will get the product like this. Say after machining, say after selecting the tool, after applying some parameters, we will get the product like this after machining also. So this is the way to write the program and this is the way to get the profile and this is the way to do the machining operation. just go through this. So once again we will display the program. Just go through the program. N10 to N370. So this is the entire program. Just go through this. Just watch the video. Kindly support the channel. Thank you. Thank you.